Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to talk about one word. The word today is already. We use the word already in the present perfect, but we need to know what it indicates. The word already, we use it if we want to talk about unexpected actions for others. For example, when I say I have already found a job. So people all the time when I say I've already done something, they must be surprised. So they will be surprised because I'm telling them unexpected actions. For example, when I say I have already got married. So when I say I've already got married, so you should know that here I'm telling the others about unexpected actions or it happened before then their expectation. For example, when I say I have already started my new job. So maybe someone is asking me, have you started your job yet? I said, I've already started. So it means that he didn't expect that I started my job and I'm telling him unexpected actions, that's something I have already done before then his or her expectations. This is a video about using already with the present perfect tense. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. See you next video. Bye.